I made that scabbard 3 years ago, when I had absolutely no business taking a commission, and it's still in one piece. Let me tell you how we got here. Okay, just a quick thing before we start. A scabbard and a sheath are not the same thing. A sheath is just a piece of leather wrapped around the blade. A scabbard has a wooden core, and the wooden core is what keeps the shape. It protects the edges, so you get the point, even though a sheath can be as beautiful as a scabbard. Right, now that that's settled, this is attempt number 1. This is the very first scabbard I ever made. And honestly, the leather is beautiful, even if it's chrome tanned. I mean, nothing wrong with chrome tanned, but it's not maybe super historically accurate. The point is, from the front side, it's okay. From the side, I think I was making a scabbard for a sandwich. Anyway, I learned something important building this. Knowing what a scabbard is doesn't mean you know how to build it. And these are kind of different kind of knowledge. Attempt number 2 was a commission. A fellow fencer needed a scabbard. I said yes, I built it. It was still too chunky. Different leather, same problem. So he took it away, used it for a while, and then probably lost that in the woods. I'd been practicing HEMA for roughly a year. So when Morwyn came to me asking for a scabbard, I knew exactly what it needed to survive. Rear use, rear sparring, getting thrown in the bag, dragged across Stockholm on a regular basis. So I sat down and started designing properly this time. Okay, you know, when you know that you're not a pro, and you try to do things fast without being thorough and what you want just to get things done, well, you end up with something like this. It wasn't what I wanted. So yep, I think I have to bring a big bad boy like this one. The router. I think it's gonna fix everything, almost everything. So that was from 2023. The footage you saw at the start was from last year in Kungsträdgården, actual medieval sparring demo. So the Scabbard is roughly 4 years old. The leather I used was bought before I was even born, and it's still going. I think it's going to be fine. But if you have an opinion about Scabbard versus sheath, write me a comment.